Hello, students, friends, followers, and my dear colleagues. Hope you all are doing good and getting vaccinated. And the purpose of this video is this: a very short video, quick video. I want all students to students who are preparing for NEET, okay, to focus on this. Someone asked me any quick tips to how to prepare for NEET. I will make an in detail each subject video, but for now, take this from me. First is you should have deep down in your heart that you are going to get it. Okay, this is the first thing, right? You are going to get seat in whatever college you decide. That you conviction, that strong faith you should have in yourself. First. Second is most important thing. That is, I want you to keep this in mind. Take a paper and write it in that only in rank 1. That is, there is no other seat, there is no other college, there is no other source for you than that college, that seat. Okay, this I want you to keep in your mind. All those who are preparing for NEET exam, I want you to do this. Which college you want, which department you want, which seat you want, you have to write that and put that on your board. First thing. Because if you think that, okay, if I don't get here, I will get here, I will get here, I will get there, that is post-examination. First is, if you are preparing, you should know what you want. If you still don't know what you want, what department I don't know, what I don't know this, then you will be always in that confusion mode. So first is decide what you want. Okay, write that. And there is no other seat, there is no reservation, there is no seat, there is no category, there is nothing except that seat. Okay, this I want you to keep this. Only if you have this in your mind, then you are nearing to that NEET seat. Okay, next, whenever you are studying, don't study more than 6 hours a day. Do not study more than 6 hours a day. Suppose you don't have time, suppose you think you don't have time, you are nearing to it, that is, you have only 3 months time, 2 months time, something like that, then increase it to 8 hours a day. That's it, not more than that. In this 8 hours, for sure, 1 hour is for revision. Even though you read one paper, I want you to revise that paper within 3 days, 10 times. Remember this, within 3 days, 10 times revision for any chapter, anything you are reading. That is, you read about a composition of local anesthesia, you go here, you remind it. You go there, you remind. You drinking tea, you have to keep recollecting it. Like that. Initially, you will feel, how many I can revise like that, sir? It is difficult, no? Now I read community, tomorrow surgery, then conservative, then something else, some other subject. There are 21 subjects. How will I remember each? Right? So initially you will feel that tightness. But once you start revising, everything will become just that capsule, small capsule. You can, okay, this page it is there like this, there is like this, there is like this and all. You will be really remembering it easily. And for me personally, when I was preparing for my PG, I had only 3 months time because post internship, during internship and all, we were cool, enjoy types and all. Then post internship, we realized, oh, exam is nearing. So then 3 months, I'm telling you, I've revised Dental Pulse almost for 24 times. I'm not exaggerating, I really not exaggerating. I'm not, trying to tell you something which is not there. It is possible. All you have to do is, whenever you are reading something, highlight points and remember them, recollect them and keep them in your mind, right? That will help you a lot. So first is revision, and next important point is combine clinical and non-clinical. Suppose you are reading clinical, add a non-clinical subject also. Okay, do this together. Don't do anything alone. Okay, by the end of year, you will forget all clinicals or you will forget all non-clinicals. This. Third is answer question paper. 1 hour for revision, 1 hour for both clinical half an hour, clinical 1 hour, non-clinical 1 hour. Next is, suppose you've joined an academy. People have this confusion. I've joined academy, their syllabus is going fast, I am falling behind, I don't know what to do. So in that condition, dedicate 1 hour for the academy or the guidance course, whatever you have joined. 1 hour for that, 1 hour for your own practice, 1 hour for own subject, whichever you are lacking, and then last 1 hour is for question and answers. Remember, you have to do this. Question answers, question answers, question answers, compulsory. Get all the material available in the market, buy it. Your investment in question papers will never go waste. So get all the question papers, put it, and your target is to solve all the question papers, right? And once you do that, I'm sure you're going to crack NEET PG easily. Okay, and very, very important last point, that is whatever you are reading, at least that page, at least that line, you should be thorough. If you think, okay, this I will revise later, that is the end of your PG preparation. Don't do it. Don't do like that. Whatever you are reading, that should be your final day, final preparation, and you have to remember it forever. Okay, if you sit with this mindset, I'm sure you will be able to crack a NEET PG easily. And 1 more hour if you have time, then I want you to focus on your previous subjects mistakes, or if you have written some examination, where did you go wrong. Suppose you are tensed, you are always anxious, try to meditate for 10 minutes, like that. You have to that is why they say you are preparing for an exam, not studying for an exam. The part of preparation will have you are preparing yourself, your mind, the ability for you to tackle that stress. Everything comes under preparation for an exam. So you have to do everything together. This is not difficult, this is not impossible. People have done before you, people will come and do after you. You are not alone in this, and it is really difficult, 20-25 subjects to remember it at a time. But I tell you, believe yourself, start doing it. I'm sure you will get it. Okay, in case you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section, so that I'll make a in detail video on particular topic, because I don't want to bore you much. So I'm making a small video. Hope this will give you some insight. And all NEET aspirants, come on, go ahead and do it. I know you will achieve it.